Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installations. We're going to show you Pioneer newest 10.1-inch floating screen system installed on the Chevy Corvette 2001. That's it. So we have the 10.1-inch floating screen Pioneer NEX just laying here nice and clean. Due to the size, you have to kind of so due to the size, you have to decide when you're doing the installation the location you're going to put it. The system itself has different mounting options, so you can have it a little bit higher, a little bit lower, the sides, left or center or to the right. So you have to decide that when you're doing the installation. And after that, the system has a tilt, which is part of the screen option that it can tilt. That it's something that the driver can adjust. System itself has wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, the standard Pioneer settings. It also has the Alexa built in, so everything that you have on your Alexa you can send and connect. You do have to have your phone connected as a hotspot to the Alexa, and pretty much that's it. This is a 10.1-inch from Pioneer, the DMH-WT8600NEX. It's available at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.